everyone. My name is Olivia, and then I'm from Entec Electric and Electronic, and I'm here for you to let you be familiarized with our solid recloser and our recloser controller. So firstly, I would like to introduce our company.
Cô một sân dưới làm sân một eco gọi bà eco
And I'm happy to have a chance to visit the city that have some famous places. So I hope you can be familiarized with our product by today. And before I start, I'm going to introduce my company for the first time. So our company name is Entec Electric and Electronics, where this Entec stands for the enhanced technology. So as for our name, we always try our best to provide you the most enhanced technology. So for the brief introduction, our company was established at year 1996. So we just had a 20th anniversary this year. And we have employees more than 350 people. And our annual turnover at 2015 was already $94 million. And we have a production capacity of 66,000 sets per year for different kinds of items. So since the establishment, we also achieved the ISO 9001. And in year 1999, we have developed the 27 kV SF6 gas recloser, and we have type tested in the CHEMA. And year 2000, we have developed the 15 kV and 38 kV gas recloser also. And then every time we develop product, we get type tested in the accredited institutes like the CHEMA, CESI, or CARI in Korea. On year 2002, we were the first developer of the solid recloser in Korea, and now we are getting the 70% market of the KEPCO, which is one and only the electric car company in Korea. And year 2005, we got like a big project worth $30 million in the Taiwan car company with the pad mount switch gears. And we also got some quality assurance award in the Korea Electric Car Industry Code. Year 2009, we also got the best quality management from the Korean KEPCO. And then when we developed our solid insulated switch gears, we have supplied it to the Seoul Metro traction system. So we continuously try to develop different kinds of products with different ratings. So, and then even year 2014 and 15, we developed our own SCADA system, and then it is supplied to the Seoul Metro system. So this is our organization chart. But the specific thing is that we have three different research and development teams. This shows that we are pretty much dedicated to developing the new products and new technologies. So this is our factory view. And this is our manufacturer line. They're currently manufacturing the solid recloser. And this area is our routine test area. So whenever we dispatch our products, every time we do the routine test, and then before we manufacture our product, we even test some insulation tests for the polymer bushing. And these are the reclosers installed in the different countries. For example, this is the recloser installed in the Indonesia, and here is the substation of the Ecuador. And these are the different gas reclosers installed in the Middle East countries. And also solely the load brake switches. And these are like head mount switch gears and ring main units installed in the Mexico and the New Zealand area. And we also participate different kinds of exhibitions in, especially every 2 years in the IEEE exhibition. And we also preserve our technology with different kinds of certificates and patents. And these are like our supply history for our different types of products. So you can see here, we have already supplied a lot of units to our Petco utility, and also from different countries in South America or Middle East or South Asia and Middle Asia. And you can also see here, we have supplied the gas type, but now the trend is changing to the solid type. So the number of quantity has some difference. And this is also the information of the load brake switch. You can see we have already supplied 18,000, more than almost 19,000 units up to 2002. And also the reference list for our switch gear, such as the ring main units. And these are the countries that we are currently doing our business. So our products are divided into the 4 lines. One is the overhead line, and the other is underground line, and the other is substation and power plant, and we also focus on the metro and railway. So in the overhead line, we have the most representative product as solid recloser, which we supply to ETC. And we have the solid type of load brake switches, and we have a capacitor switch, and some circuit breakers, such as the one-shot circuit breaker. And for the underground line, we have like ring main units, and solid type and the gas type. We have a pad mount switch gear also. For the substation, we have a solid type of switch gear, and we also have a draw-outable type. And this Q-class DC circuit breaker is for the nuclear power plant. And for metro railway, we have a DC switch gear, and we have a high-speed DC switch gear, which we are the only few manufacturers in the world who can manufacture with this technology. So we also are dedicated to developing our own controllers in order to support this distribution automation system. So this was like a brief introduction of our country, and then maybe we can go straight to our product, solid recloser.
We need the interpreter because everyone here not speaking very well. So need interpreter. Need interpreter. Do you have interpreter? Do you have any interpreter?
Interpreter?
Yeah.
So this is the appearance of our solid reclosers, and its main features are that it has a compact structure and lightweight, and it is easy for the transportation. And we use the magnetic actuator, which is very reliable single moving part for the operation mechanism, and it is located inside our sealed tank. And we use the vacuum interrupter for arcing the hazardous products. The vacuum interrupters are located here, and then it is completely sealed or molded by our polymer bushing. We also support our SCADA capability with our controller. We support the different kinds of communication protocols such as EMP3, Modbus, IC101, 104. And by using the RTU, this SCADA can be supported. And then inside our control box, we have a space for different types of modem, like radio, GSM, or GPRS. So the EDC will be using the GSM modem in order to support the SMS control functions. By the controller, we can also have the metering for voltage, current, power, and also other frequencies. And then we can also record the operations, and we can see the events information. And we have our own dedicated software called ECIMS, which you can connect the PC with our controller in order to have user-friendly access to our products. So,
No.ដើម្បីកុំឲ្យចំណាយពេលវេលាយូរខ្ញុំសូមធ្វើការបកប្រែទៅលើខ្លឹមសារខ្លះៗទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងសេចក្តីខាងក្រុមការងារគាត់នៅក្នុងនេះខ្ញុំសូមសង្ខេបទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងការប្រើប្រាស់ system ដូចជា auto recloser ប្រភេទ Entec ក្នុងនោះយើងទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង communication យើងប្រើប្រាស់ជាប្រភេទ ENT3 Modbus ប្រភេទ standard IEC 104 ដែលយើងប្រើប្រាស់ជា communication protocol យើងអាចប្រើប្រាស់ជាមួយនឹង system SCADA បានបន្តមកទៀតទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង system remote control យើងប្រើប្រាស់ communication ជាប្រភេទ GSM GPRS ដែលនៅក្នុង measurement យើងអាចមើលឃើញនិងរៀបព័ត៌មានដូចជាតំចុងចរន្តអនុភាពប្រើប្រាស់ក៏ដូចជា frequency និង load setting ផងដែរទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងdata ដែលយើង download ចេញពី night controller មានជា load profile ដែលក្នុងនោះទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង application software ដែលគាត់ប្រើប្រាស់ជាមួយនឹង Entec នេះយើងអាចធ្វើការ re-close និង download នៅ data មួយចំនួន
So this is our technical rating for different types of solid reclosers. We have 3 ratings following the ANSI standard. We have 15.5 kV, 27 kV, and 38 kV. But of course, depending on your system line, we supply 27 kV and also 38 kV to the EDC Cambodia market. So you can choose between the 2 different frequencies, and these are our specifications. So maybe you can look through it more in detail through your presentation material.
ទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង rating EPO solid recloser នៅក្នុង operation manual យើងមានបញ្ជាក់ទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង